Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the spectral characteristics of the random process. This is the previous examination question. The example is find the cross correlation function for a cross power density spectrum is cross power density spectrum given below. That is f suffix xy of omega is equal to 8 by alpha plus j omega whole cube. Coming to the solution, given that the cross power density spectrum Sxy of omega is equal 8 by alpha plus j omega whole cube. Now here the spelling mistake. This is Sxy of omega. So we know that the Fourier transform of t square e power minus a t u of t is 2 by a plus j omega whole cube. So from this equation, f inverse of this RHS term is t square into e power minus a t ut. So using this basic expression, we can find out the cross power spectral density of the given data. So in this given data, taking inverse Fourier transform on both sides, f inverse of Sxy of omega is equal f inverse of, so this 8 is now here the 2, so this 8 is written as 4 into 2, 4 into f inverse of 2 by alpha plus j omega whole cube. F inverse of Sxy of omega is Rxy of tau. 4 into, using this expression, F inverse of this RHS term is 4 into tau square e power minus, in place of a here alpha is there, e power minus alpha tau into u of tau. So this is tau.